From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Nasu Dengaku is a traditional Japanese dish featuring eggplant, glazed with a sweet and savory miso-based sauce, then grilled or broiled. Its history is deeply rooted in Japanese culinary traditions and reflects the evolution of both ingredients and cooking techniques over centuries. The term Dengaku originally referred to a type of performance art and folk dance from the Heian period 794-1185, where performers balanced on stilts while dancing, mimicking rice planting rituals. Over time, the name was adopted for food skewered on bamboo sticks, resembling the stilts used in Dengaku performances. Eggplants were introduced to Japan from China during the Nara period 710-794 and became a staple in Japanese cooking due to their versatility. By the Edo period 1603 to 1868, Nasu Dengaku had gained popularity as a home-cooked dish and izakaya pub food. Muromachi period, from 1336 to 1573, miso-based grilling became popular, and Dengaku dishes were commonly served at festivals and street stalls. Tofu Dengaku was the most common, but as eggplants, nasu became more widely cultivated in Japan. Nasu Dengaku emerged as a variation. Nasu Dengaku exemplifies umami-rich Japanese cuisine, combining the earthiness of eggplant with the deep flavors of fermented miso. It also reflects Japan's historical appreciation of seasonal ingredients shun no mono, as eggplants are considered a summer vegetable.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.